Hi there, let's go through how I blow dry my hair. I'm starting with damp hair, about 80 to even 90% dry. This is very important because having wet hair will take so much longer to blow dry and it will damage your hair even further. I'm adding some heat protective spray even though I'm using the low setting where it's warm air instead of hot air, and the air is medium flow so that I have a little bit more control. There are so many versions of this hair dryer right now, but this is the one I am using today. Then for the mohawk section, I'm adding some hair rollers just to get some volume. Let's start. Section up your hair and start blow drying on the low setting as I mentioned before. Make sure to go front, back, side to side to really smoothen out the whole section. The reason I'm wrapping my hair around the brush is to create some tension, so kind of pulling it downwards but gently in a way so that you get a smooth finish. When you blow dry your hair with the traditional hairbrush and hair blower, you can direct the airflow downwards so that there are no flyaways or hair sticking up. With a hair dryer like this, where it's like a 2-in-1 type of deal, the air can only blow straight out. So we have to kind of mimic the tension to get somewhat of a smooth finish, or else it can end up looking a little bit frizzy. When the strand is completely dry, I'm going to round the ends inward like this to create a beautiful bouncy bend, and you want to keep it rolling so that it doesn't crease. Then just slowly brush the ends out like this. I changed my shirt so that you guys can see the hair a little bit better. Then I do the same thing on the other side. Let's go through it one more time because we are all in this together. So we said blow dry back and front until the strand is completely dry. Make sure that it's dry or else the style won't last. Once the section is dry and smooth, create the little bends at the ends by rolling the brush inwards like this. You can do it outwards as well, but I like to do it inwards. Then brush out the hair in the direction that you want your ends to bend. If you have hair that doesn't hold any style, use a good hair mousse before, meaning while your hair is still damp, and some hair rollers after so that your hair can really set in that position. Next section, I'm just going to be repeating the same thing really and doing all of my bends inwards. Another thing to note is that when you dry your top sections, the higher you direct your hair, the more volume you are going to get. Now, with that said, that is a whole arm workout, so if you have the time and energy, you do you. I'm not going to be doing that today. I'm repeating this throughout my hair and taking some big sections because my hair is almost completely dry at this point. So cue some music and I will return when it's time for the mohawk section.
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you crossed my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder.
Now for the mohawk section, I'm blow drying it forward and backwards like this to dry the section as per usual. Then I'm blow drying the bends backwards and inwards like this. So happy we have a visual because that was a mouthful. And I'm going to use the biggest roller that I have to put my hair in a position where I can get the most volume. Now obviously if you have long hair, this is pretty much impossible. You can actually just blow dry it from side to side just like we did before. But in my case, I have some shorter layers and I just feel like this gives me a little bit more volume and the bends come out very evenly on both sides. For the bangs, you have options. You can either go under the hair like this, that will give you more of this type of bangs, or over like this so that you get more of this outcome. I usually go over, but I do have some wispy bangs, so I can't really do that without looking funny. So I'm blow drying it sideways like this. You can do this even if you don't have wispy bangs. This is just another option. The trick to smoothen everything out is to always have some type of motion going on when you blow dry your hair, even if it's like slow motion. Just some motion will make it really smooth and silky. It also will create like this airy look to your hair, fluffy but not frizzy. And after that, I'm gonna be securing it with some rollers to make it last a little bit longer. Now that it's been about 20 minutes, I'm taking the rollers out gently like this. You want to look like you have been to a hair salon, not a bar fight. So don't yank or stress when taking these hair rollers out. And voila! This style is so flattering on layered haircuts. It just looks very put together, but not doing too much, which I love. Shake your hair a little bit so that it kind of blends together. And then this is the final results. I hope this video was helpful in any way, shape, or form, and let me know if you have any questions down below. I try to answer as many as I can. That was it for me today, you guys. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, guys.